What's up guys, I'm Sean, back at Laguna Seca Raceway. This time in my F82 M4, running with Trackmasters Racing. It's a 103 dB day. My M4 is fairly stock, but I do have 4-slag camber plates, running -3 degrees camber in the front, -2 in the rear. And I have PFC 08 brake pads in the front and PFC 332 brake pads in the rear with BMW stainless steel brake lines. And I also did the PowerFlex dual mount rear diff bushings. And I'm repurposing my E46 M3 track wheels. So these wheels are 18 by 10 ET25 square with two 75/35 Nankang AR1 tires. So these tires are definitely undersized for the M4. People run 295s, 305s, and even 315 square on the M4. But I'm going to use what I have. So this is going to be my first real time on the track with this car. When I came last month, it was raining and the event didn't go well. Outlap I spun. So this time it's nice and sunny and dry. So hopefully I get some good seat time. I'm not expecting any PB or anything like that. I just want to get used to the car and see what my next mods would be. So hopefully the day goes well. Stay tuned. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Just finished 4 sessions with Trackmaster Racing. Overall, good day. I didn't run a personal best, but I wasn't expecting it. My E46 M3 is a fully built out track car. Compared to this car, it's apples and oranges. This car is definitely heavier. The suspension feels floaty. So if I'm going to continue to track this car, gotta run coilovers and wider tires than what I'm running right now. But overall, good day. It's a feel out day, just to get used to the car. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.